So this is the pickled radish that I'm actually using. I got it from online. Nowadays, a lot of things you can get it Shopee or Lazada. Very, very simple. It's called 辣脆萝卜.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. The other day I saw on YouTube a very unique dish where this restaurant make a chicken stew using pickled radish. So I'm going to try it today. So this is the pickled radish. I have let me show you how it looks like. So this is the pickled radish that I'm actually using. I got it from online. Nowadays, a lot of things you can get it Shopee or Lazada. Very, very simple. It's called 辣脆萝卜. Pickled radish with a bit of spiciness, yeah? So I'm using approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons full of pickled radish here. And this pickled radish, you can actually just eat it raw like that also can. Quite nice. Wow, definitely this will go very nice with white porridge. So how we are going to do this? So I have here approximately 500 grams of chicken parts. I cut into chunks, and also I mix it with added in some oyster mushroom, also cut into chunks as well. That will be my main ingredient. After which, of course, I'm adding in some extra veggie. The veggie I'm using today is actually the big red chili and also green chili cut into chunks as well. And besides the radish, we also need some, let me focus, some garlic and also ginger slices. Alright, first of all, we are going to give it some oil and heat it up. So once the oil is heated up, you can put in the ginger, garlic, together with the pickled radish. You can use any kind of pickled radish that you like, don't worry about it. I just want to have some sourish flavor. Now anything fermented, you will probably want to saute it with hot oil so that it can actually reduce the earthiness. So this is after approximately 1 minute plus sauteing. We can actually put in the chicken together with the mushroom. I'm using free range chicken today. You can use any chicken you like to your preference, no right or wrong. There's no rules in Appa kitchen, yeah? First, we'll give it a bit of light soy sauce. Now, as we want to season this, we will turn down the fire to low. Give it about 1 to 2 rounds of light soy sauce and a little bit of dark soy sauce here for the color. And I'll be giving some oyster sauce to give it the umami flavor. Follow with some Shaoxing wine. If you don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine, no need to find replacement. A little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. Now you can raise the fire. Wow, already it smells so good. This dish is super easy. Next thing, I'm going to add some water. Bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, you can then actually cover it with a lid. And what we want to do right now is to reduce it. Bring down to about medium fire and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Yeah, this is what we normally call reduce method. So allow the sauce to really be absorbed into the meat itself. And at the same time, the sauce will thicken up. We'll come back shortly. Few things for you to take note. Anything pickled or pickled veggie or pickled radish, it will be quite salty. So you may want to go lighter with your salt or also light soy sauce lah. because it's already salty. Why is it a lot of chefs always tend to add a bit of sugar after the salt? It's because the sugar after adding the salt, you add in the sugar can actually enhance the potency. Yeah, it can enhance the potency of the salt, meaning the salt can actually be more efficient to achieve the saltiness that you want. By the way, I have already tested my pickled radish before this. I know what is the saltiness level. So the one I'm using still considered average salty. If you're using the local Malaysian salted pickled veggie, that is super salty. So you probably need to rinse it a few times before you use it. Alright? Alright, this is after approximately simmering under medium heat for about 12 minutes. Wow. Oh, look at this. Really nice. I don't think I need to add any cornstarch water. So just put in the red chili and green chili. Give it a few stir. And it is ready. Ready to be served. Right, here's my very simple chicken stew with pickled carrot. Yeah, if you like my very simple video today, do show my video on your Facebook or come and like my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.